Hello everyone, myself Chandana. I am studying Computer Science and Design Department in Srinivas Institute of Technology. My topic is Automatic Streetlight Control System. Introduction. Automatic streetlight control idea is to use sensors or light sensors to detect the presence of vehicles or pedestrians on the street. When the sensors detect the activity, they can trigger the street light to turn on, providing illumination for the individual using the road. Once the activity is done, the lights can automatically turn off to conserve energy. The importance. Automatic streetlight control systems are designed to switch on and off based on the amount of natural light available. This ensures that streetlights are only active when necessary, reducing energy consumption and cost. Automatic streetlight control system can help to improve safety by ensuring that streetlights are always on when needed. It can help to significantly lower electricity bills for local governments and municipalities. This can help to prevent accidents and make streets safer for pedestrians and drivers alike. It can help to reduce the carbon footprints of cities and towns, making them more sustainable and environmentally friendly. It can help to reduce maintenance costs by ensuring that lights are only active when needed. The conclusion. Overall, automatic streetlight control systems offer a range of benefits for local governments, municipalities, and communities. By improving energy efficiencies, reducing cost, enhancing safety, and promoting sustainability, these systems can help to create more livable and environmental friendly